it's Erin with Silicon Beach Homes with another weekly update. After months of trying to navigate through COVID-19, my team and I have perfected the recipe to help you achieve your real estate goals during this uncertain times. Digital signatures, virtual tours, documentation online. These are just a few tools that we've been using to help our buyers and sellers achieve their real estate goals. Look, if you want to go ahead and get a home, now is the time. Prices are going for under asking. So now's the time if you've been waiting. We've navigated it, we've got the recipe, and we're here to help. Just remember, if you want to go out and wade in the waters of real estate, especially during this uncertain time, we are on your team. We'll be with you at the beginning of the transaction, during the transaction, and after the transaction is closed to make sure the process is as seamless as it can be. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers to your real estate goals. If you'd like to work with Silicon Beach Homes in the future, look for us on the web at siliconbeachhomes.com or give us a call, 424-272-0916. Thank you for watching.